Welcome to our channel FC Fatal Crave. I am Vineeta, your nutrition expert. Today we'll discuss about diabetes type 2, how we can cure it naturally without medication. But prior to that, we need to understand how does it happen. Whenever we eat carb or excess protein, it is going to convert into glucose. Some would be utilized, but excess glucose will be settled down inside our cells by a hormone called insulin, which is perfectly fine. But in case of diabetes, when you're having the same right pattern again and again, even the higher level of insulin is not capable enough to settle down these glucose inside your cells, hence it spills over and your blood sugar level goes up. To resolve this, we start medication. Once we start the medication, initially we start feeling better, but after a few months the picture remains the same and we move on to second dose or third dose because we are dealing the symptom, which is high blood sugar, instead of dealing the main disease, that is insulin resistance. So how you can break this cycle? Simply by decreasing your insulin level. So let us see how you can cure it. Frequency of eating. Don't eat again and again because then you're engaging your insulin hormone. So always set the frequency of your meals. Sugar. Not the direct sugar, but also your hidden sugar is responsible for raising your insulin levels. So always cut down the refined carbohydrates like cookies, pastas, pastries, etc. Always add a high fat diet because saturated fats helps you by keeping your insulin low. Always add fiber rich food and also few spices like cinnamon and turmeric because they also help in decreasing your insulin level. Intermittent fasting. Fasting does not mean to starve. So always fill your body with the right nutrition and then practice it. Now let us see how Mr. and Mrs. Singh were able to improve their conditions by following the right nutrition. They had higher level of insulin and wanted to get rid of their medication. So they approached us, and finally by following the right nutrition, their glucose levels are pretty good and they are no longer on medications. Hence, we can say that diabetes is not a chronic disease. Instead, it's a dietary disease and can be cured with the right nutrition. So let us help you in rediscovering your nutrition, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.